Imagine turning one of the world's most track-focused cars into an even more aerodynamic beast. That's exactly what Manthey Racing has done with their latest kit for the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Stick around, because what you're about to discover will blow your mind. Let's start with the showstopper, that iconic rear wing. It's now larger, smarter, and fitted with dual carbon fiber elements featuring a drag reduction system. The redesigned end plates boost rear downforce like never before. Oh, and see that shark fin? It's straight out of endurance racing. Inspired by the Porsche 963, it's not just for looks, it keeps the car steady during aggressive cornering. But wait, there's more. The rear panel has been replaced with a lighter carbon fiber version, slashing 25% of the weight compared to the stock rear window. Plus, the shark fin works together with 6 roof fins to guide cooler air into the engine. It's like aerodynamics taken to the next level. And it's not just the rear that got a glow up. The front has been revamped too. A sharper spoiler lip, reinforced gurney flaps, and carbon fiber dive planes boost downforce on the front axle. Together, these updates keep the car glued to the track, even at jaw-dropping speeds. Manthey even went after the small details. The wider rear diffuser now has extended fins for maximum efficiency, and those carbon fiber aero disc wheel covers? They slice through the air, reducing drag and enhancing stability. But downforce alone isn't enough. To handle the added aerodynamic load, the suspension has been upgraded with stiffer springs, 30% more on the front axle and 15% on the rear. The semi-active coilover suspension has been fine-tuned with new sensors and a smarter control unit. It's precision engineering at its finest. And let's talk brakes. Manthey has introduced steel-sheathed brake lines for sharper response and optional racing pads for those who demand peak performance during long track sessions. Stopping power has never felt this good. Want to show off your Manthey upgrade? Optional illuminated door sills, projector lights, and custom decals make sure everyone knows your 911 GT3 RS is something special. Here's the kicker, this kit delivers over 2,204 pounds of downforce at 177 miles per hour. That's more grip, more control, and more confidence to push the limits on the track. And yes, it's all fully backed by Porsche's factory warranty. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering. Manthey Racing has unlocked a new level of performance for the 911 GT3 RS. Want one? The kit goes global in March 2025, with prices starting at just under $80,000, installation not included. Are you ready to take your Porsche to the extreme? Love this content? Hit that subscribe button and join us at ABD Tech Lab for more incredible car tech updates. Don't forget to like and share if you're as excited about this upgrade as we are. See you next time.